students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. Today in this class we will study about rationalization. What is rationalization? You know very well what is rational number and what is irrational number. What is rational number? Rational number are those numbers which can be represented in P by Q form. Those numbers which cannot represent in P by Q form are called irrational numbers. Rationalization means to convert irrational into rationalization. Suppose now discuss some identities of irrational number. Some identities of irrational number. First identity, root a whole square is equal to a. Second, root a into root b is equal to root ab. Third identity, root a upon root b is equal to whole root a upon b. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is equal to a minus b. A plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Sixth identity, root a plus or minus root b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. What is a square plus or minus 2 root a b plus b square means root b square b. Then seventh identity, root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to square root of ac plus root square root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Some identities of irrational number. Root a square a, root a into root b is whole root ab, root a upon root b is equal to whole root a by b, root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to a minus b, a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Root a plus or minus root b whole square is equal to a plus or minus 2 root ab plus b. Root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Okay, understand. Now do some examples. Do some examples. Examples. 16 root 5 plus into 2 root 5. Here root 5. What do you mean by a root 5? This means a to the power 1 upon 5. This means a to the power 1 upon 5. Then 16, we can take it inside, just recall, root a into root b, the identity is root ab. Then in the same way we can write 16 into 2, 5. Then what is this? This is 32, 5. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 and root 5 means 1 upon 5. Then 5 cancel. This is 2. Answer is 2. Then another example. Example 2. Suppose 243 root 4 upon 3 root 4. Then just recall the identity. Root A upon root B is equal to whole root A upon B. In this way, 243 upon 3 whole root 4 is equal to 3. What we get? 81. Root 4 of 81. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. Root 4 means 1 upon 4. 4 cancel, we get the answer 3. Then solve more examples. Here is given 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Then we get 3 into 2 plus 3 into root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. 3 into 2 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 2 can be written as whole root 2 into 3 6. Then solve more examples. Another example, simplify. Simplify. Then 5 plus root 5, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Then by using the identities a plus b into a minus b, what you get? A square minus b square. 5 square 25, root 5 square 5. 25 minus 5, we get the answer 20. Then example 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. A plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. 9 minus 2, 4 into 2 square 2, 4 root 2 square 2. Then this is 9 minus 8, this is 1. Then solve more examples. Example 3. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Root 3 square 3, root 7 square 7 plus 2 root 10. Sorry, root 21. 7 into 3, 21. Root 21. This is the answer. Then rationalization of denominator. When the denominator is an irrational number, we have to rationalize in which way? Look at the example. 3 plus root 5 upon root 2. Here root 2 is a irrational number. Then we have to rationalize the denominator. What we have to do? Make the denominator rational number. Rationalization of denominator. Then how can we rationalize? Multiply root 2 in denominator, then also multiply root 2 in numerator. Otherwise the value will change. Then what you get in numerator? 3 root 2 plus root 5 into root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, 2. Then in numerator you get 3 root 2 plus root 5 into root 2, what? Root 10 upon 2. Here the denominator is a rational number. Then another example. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. This is to make it rationalize of the denominator. Here, look at here. Here this is a plus b. If we multiply a minus b in the denominator, then by using the identity we get a square a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then we get at the denominator a rational number, and this is the rationalization of the denominator. To make rationalize the denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. Here in the denominator 2 plus root 3, multiply it with 2 minus root 3. Here in the numerator 2 minus root 3, in the denominator a plus b into a minus b. Then what is this? This is a square minus b square. Then numerator 2 minus root 3, at the denominator a square minus b square. What is 2 square? 4 minus root 3 square 3. Then at the denominator we get 4 minus 3 1. Then this is a rational number. Then 2 minus 3. Answer is 2 minus 3. Solve more examples. Then example, another example. 2 upon root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Then how can we rationalize? Multiply root 3 in numerator and multiply root 3 in denominator. You know very well, when we multiply anything, we must multiply it both in numerator and denominator, otherwise the value will change. Root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. Then what is the answer? 2 root 3 upon 3. Rational number at the denominator. More example. 1 upon 3 plus root 2. Here the denominator is a irrational number. To make it rational number, multiply 3 minus root 2 in numerator and multiply 3 minus root 2 at the denominator. Then at the denominator, a plus b into a minus b. Then what is? This is a square minus b square. Then at the numerator, 3 minus root 2. 3 square 9 minus root 2 square 2. Then 3 minus root 2 upon 7. Then more example. 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Then rationalize this denominator. Then multiply root 3 plus root 5 in numerator and root 3 plus root 5 in the denominator. Then at the denominator you get a plus b into a minus b form. Then what is? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Then at the numerator, this is 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 square 3 minus root 5 square 5. Then you get at the numerator 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5 minus 2. This is rationalization of denominator. Students, you solve more and more examples and do your worksheet properly and ask me in the comment box about your doubt. Then today this much. Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you, students.